We're going to do a room tour of a balcony cabin on the Carnival Dream. This is room 7209. Let's do a once over, then we'll go over some of the details. We have this set up for a king size bed, but these can be pulled apart and set up as twin beds as well. Have a little nightstand on each side with lights. And a little storage area. Couch with a little nightstand. I believe this also pulls out into a bed. Again, another little reading light. And that door, we actually have a connecting room for our kids. We brought our 3 kids on this trip too, and that goes over to their room, which is also a balcony room. Flat screen TV with a wall mount. Doesn't look like it adjusts or moves. They do put some water on your counter here, but you got to pay $3.75 for it. Just some more storage along this wall here. A lot of decent counter space. We ordered ahead and had some water brought to our room. Here we have the room safe. Remote for the TV. And this is the fridge. You can also have some drinks pre-ordered to be in your room when you arrive. And I've heard from other reviews that the fridge doesn't stay very cool if you leave this shut. So when you're not in your room, you might want to leave this open to just get some ventilation and have it work better. Little bench, more storage, hairdresser, just your standard drawers. Phone, standard outlet. Now we did bring a plug-in outlet that it's a multiplier that gives you more USB and outlets, because there's just not a lot of outlets in this room. So that's the main area. Moving on to the closets and additional clothing storage. It's actually a decent amount of storage in this cabin, even though it's a small cabin. Plenty of room for our stuff for a 7-night cruise. Life jackets up top there, more hanging space. And then this is the bathroom here, right next to the entry-exit door. And these lights are motion censored, activated. Just got some hanging on the wall there. Not a large bathroom, but sufficient. Single sink. It's your standard ship toilet. And here's the shower. An adjustable nozzle. It's nice, it actually comes with soap or shower gel and shampoo already built in. We haven't used it yet, so I don't know how hot or warm it gets. Got some storage in the corners. So totally adequate. Now we'll take a look at what the rooms look like when they're connected. We have this second room set up with double beds, twin beds, and we got that couch pulled out into a bed as well. Even with 3 kids, we had plenty of space. Kids don't spend a lot of time in the room anyways on a cruise. And here is what our balcony looks like while at sea. Beautiful views. And all in all, we were really happy with our balcony cabin on the Carnival Dream. Thanks for watching.